Well, hi there, Frank George here with the absolute ultimate all-in-one whole house smart self-cleaning and drying cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner by Redroad. It's the W13 model for hardwood floors, for your tiles and stone floors, for your living room, kitchen, and bathrooms. It cleans up to 2,150 square feet without frequent recharging or refilling, featuring 45-minute run time, 17,500 PA strong suction power, a 4,200 mAh battery, and it even has an internal HEPA filter. This vacuum is the last one you'll ever need. If you always wanted a real intelligent self-cleaning and drying unit, this will serve all your needs. It has a super comfortable and ergonomic D handle. It has one button operation for power on and power off. Upon turning the unit on, you'll see we have 96% battery. And there's a beautiful ambient color too. The base has a great design. Storage for your rollers and a cleaning brush and a water fill cup and an extra HEPA filter. Nice and neat storage in the base. Just fill the water tank for self-cleaning. So let's see the unit in action. Remove it from the base, angle down. It's effortless. And another feature I really like is it gets really close to the edges and the corners, less than ½ an inch or 1 centimeter, as close as we can to the very edge. Perfect. So now we have a wet coffee spill on the same hardwood floor. Let's get to it and clean it up.
Start charging.
As you can see, the green light is on. It's starting to charge automatically. Now let's hit the self-cleaning button.
Self-cleaning mode activation. Cleaning rolling brush. Cleaning done. Keep self-cleaning.
While it's self-cleaning, you can see the debris in the holding tank.
Cleaning done.
Again, this is the self-cleaning mode, and your red ambient light is on the entire time while it's talking to you and telling you exactly what it's doing. Truly a smart mop vacuum.
Cleaning done.
The brush is now self-drying. After it's been cleaned, the dirty water is in the holding tank And I will show you an animation of what it does when it's cleaning the roller. This is the self-drying element. You can feel the heat coming off. This is what dries the roller. And then when it is done drying the roller, for the next time that you go to clean, the roller will be nice and clean and dry and odor-free. So as you've seen, this is both an all-in-one wet and dry cleaning machine. So when you get your Redroad W13, here's how you unbox it. A great product manual. Very nice packaging for most of the contents, right on the top of the box. One cleaning brush, one cup for adding water, one HEPA filter, a holder for the cleaning unit, the roller holders, a roller. That's everything that's in the first compartment. Then there is the host station. That has the electric cord for plug-in for charging. Another roller. So now you have two. And this is an ergonomic handle with controls on it. And as you can see, the base unit is packed really well with these protectors. So I'm going to remove them one at a time. There's one. There's the other one. And the vacuum. And lo and behold, there is a roller in the base unit. Perfect. So the handle goes in, clicks in place, and we're all set to put it in the charging station. So in summary, this unit has a 700 millimeter or 24 ounce clean water tank and a 900 millimeter or 30.5 ounce dirty water tank. And its built-in turbine inverter brushless motor ensures low noise, as you've heard, and high efficiency, making it a top choice for quick and effective cleaning with just the push of a button. It does the rest. And remember, the deep cleaning roller brushes are cleaned and dried for you effortlessly. Take my word for it, you'll absolutely love the Redroad W13. Get one for your home now and enjoy a 1-year warranty. Thank you.